you guys, it's Vijaya back at you with another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to make tandoori fried chicken. Yes, you heard right, this is my creation. I took all the beautiful spices of tandoori and merged it with like KFC pretty much, and then you get this beautiful fried chicken with the flavors of tandoori. It is so good. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and of course if you're looking for the full recipe, just click that info box down below and everything you need is there. Let's make some tandoori fried chicken. We're gonna start by marinating our chicken, and today I have chicken thighs and legs, but what you can do also is get a whole chicken, break it down, and use every part of the chicken for this. It's gonna be fantastic no matter what. Now into my chicken, I'm gonna add some buttermilk, and buttermilk is amazing because it tenderizes the chicken and makes it nice and juicy. Up next, I'm gonna squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. That's gonna add a little bit of brightness. And then I'm gonna grate in a little bit of garlic and a little bit of ginger. I'm gonna season things up with some Garam Masala. I have a homemade blend that you can find on my channel, a little bit of salt, and some red food coloring, which is optional. And now we're gonna mix all of this together so that all the flavors become one with one another, and as you can tell, the chicken's taking on this beautiful red color because of the red food coloring, and that's so iconic of tandoori. One final stir, and look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it into the fridge for about 3 hours to overnight. The longer you marinate it, the more juicy and flavorful it will be, and then we'll be ready to bread. My chicken is marinated, and now it's time to work on my flour coating, and this is what's gonna give our chicken mega crunch as well as a second layer of flavor. And the way I like to do that is in a resealable plastic bag. So I have a little bit of all-purpose flour here, and we're gonna add a few spices to it. So we have my homemade blend of Garam Masala. We saw this in the marinade, but I'm reinforcing the flavor in the coating. A little bit of red food coloring, which is gonna give us that iconic tandoori red. Some salt to season, some kasuri methi leaves, which are also known as fenugreek leaves, nutmeg, which is a secret spice. It pairs so well with meat, some red chili powder for heat, and some dried ginger powder. Now I've made sure that my bag is nice and sealed. You want to make sure of this, otherwise you'll have flour flying all over the place. And we're gonna give it a shake. And that'll just distribute all the spices nice and evenly. And now we're ready to bread our chicken. Now I'm gonna grab a piece of my marinated chicken, and we're gonna do this one piece at a time. I'm gonna drop it into my bag, cover it up, and then give it a nice shake to coat it. And then I'm just gonna touch it out with my fingers, shake off the excess coating, and then drop it onto my little baking sheet. And we'll do the same for the rest. My chicken is all coated, and already, without even frying it, it looks amazing. And I have a really great tip for you guys. If you want an extra crunchy exterior, you're gonna let this sit on the counter for 15 minutes. And what ends up happening is the marinade melds with the coating, and it makes a crunchy, crispy crust. That is the tip of the day. I have some oil behind me at 350 degrees. We're gonna gently lower a few of these guys in at a time, ensuring not to crowd the pan, and cook them for about 15 minutes until they're nice and crispy and crunchy on the outside and juicy and cooked through in the middle. Let's do it. So here's a little tip when you're frying chicken to know when it's done. So you can see a lot of big bubbles that are escaping from the chicken as soon as you put it in the oil. The slower those bubbles become, the closer you are to the chicken being finished. These guys are fresh out of the fryer. They smell so gosh darn good, and they look incredible. They're glistening, they're crispy. Let's give it a taste. I'm gonna go for a drumstick. I did not expect that to happen. This chicken is so juicy and the flavor is concentrated right down to the bone, and that's because we marinated it overnight. And then that crispy crust encases it so beautifully. The combination of the crunchy crispy coating with the tender juicy interior is to die for. This, you guys, is my tandoori fried chicken, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to give me a big old thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, or concern, that's weird, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.